The fourth China International Import Expo is scheduled from November 5 to 10 in Shanghai. Umair Bhatti, a consultant of the Sustainable Development Policy Institute in Pakistan, said the expo offers a great deal of opportunity to small and medium enterprises from developing countries.
We have seen that China has become the second largest consumer and the second largest importer in the world, especially since joining the WTO in 2001. We have also seen that China has pulled millions out of poverty, and it embarked upon a path of rural development within China. So what it did, it basically raised the standard of living for its people and then their buying power. So a middle class is obviously growing in China. So along with the reduced tariffs offered by the WTO, this import expo, I think, has offered a great deal of opportunity to the small and medium enterprises from the developing countries, from the neighbors of China, to showcase their product, and then those products will obviously be an attraction for the people who has just come out of poverty. Again, I think it's a very good platform, and so this particular expo on the 20th anniversary of the WTO, I think it's a great platform for China to showcase to the world that come to China. China is open up for investment. China has strong intellectual property, rules, and it has been playing by the rules since 2001. And China has also provided a better infrastructure in terms of railroad and maritime bases. So I think, yes, this is a great platform. It will give a huge impetus to the world in general and China in particular.